I got all the head bolts out except for one. It's nasty and very rusty, so I'm going to try an old trick. And it's not my trick, it's old trick. Trying to see what I'm getting at. Gotta be a good weld though. I'm just gonna break welds off. If this doesn't work, I have to drill through my welds, drill that bolt out, and that's really gonna be frustrating. So hopefully this works out. Hot. Gotta move quick. I should already have my ratchet ready. Get it while it's hot. Oh yeah. Welded a bolt to a bolt. I'm going to try to upload a video once a week, every Sunday. So if you want to check it out, follow the page, like, subscribe, give me some comments of things you want to see.